pretty popular way to mark projects once you're done with them and proud of them is to use a brand. And I want to give you a couple tips about making your brands come out better. So first thing I'm going to do here, I'm heating this up, obviously. And I'm going to just brand my maple. Now, couple things, and we're going to fix these couple things. When you approach your work with the brand and you're just going to plunk it down, it could end up kind of willy-nilly. This GJV of mine has got a pretty distinct vertical on it. So if I want that vertical to align with the wood, I got to be careful about that. Also, it's a little smeary. You know what I mean? Like it's so hot that it loses some of the distinction around the edges. Yes, I can sand this. I can get this burn off of the surface, but let's work harder to make it come out better right from the start. So one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take that frame and I'm going to secure that to the work. All it is a piece of red oak. I cut that notch out of it. You're going to position this where you want the brand to go. Now let me get a little more heat on that brand to make sure it's hot enough, and then I'm going to come back and show you tip number 2. All right, we got heat, yes we do. Now the other thing I'm going to do, I've got my frame in place, I'm going to spritz. This is water. Use the frame to register the brand. Look at how much more crisp that is here compared to here. We don't have the smudged edges, you know, we don't have the blurry edges. There's less burn on the surface, so there's less sanding to do on this one than on this one. The other benefit to the frame, now that I'm looking at this, is that the very end of the V is a little indistinct. The side of the G is a little indistinct. As long as the frame is there, if I need to come back and rebrand, you can, and you can hit that same spot. When you have nothing locating you and you're trying to set down on the exact same GJV, it's going to be impossible to hit the same spot twice. So the frame gives you the benefit of location, of, you know, making sure that your brand comes out straight, and repeatability if you need to hit it again. The water gives you the benefit of just a cleaner, crisper brand when you're done.